guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay, and here on my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials, makeup hauls, and everything about makeup every Thursday. So if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest vlogs. So for today's video guys, we're gonna do a makeup tutorial using one of the palettes from Beauty Bay products. So it is the Earthy Palette. So this is the palette, you guys. This is a 16 eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bay. And I have also, I'm gonna link here my Beauty Bay hauls. And yes, let's play with this palette. So this is how it looks like, and it has a mirror, and this is the color story. It's all the shades of green. We have some mattes and shimmers and very nice shades of green. So if you like some if you like this kind of palette, like a green collection, this is a go-to grab. Better grab this palette because it has all the shades of green and all the green if you want a green colored look, just grab this one in just one palette, and everything that you're gonna need is all in here if you want to create green eyeshadow look. So look at this. So if you want to see how I create some looks using this palette, please keep on watching. So guys, are you ready to play with the palette? I am so excited, and I hope you are too. And if you have this kind of palette, please let me know. And I would just wanna, and please share also to me all the looks that you have created. I would like to hear from you. So let's start. I don't know how. I'm so excited to dip my brush. So I'm taking my brush, Morphe brush M573, to this shade. Let's start with they say we'll go dark to do some colorful dark. Okay, so let's do the pine one. This is the shade here. Very nice. See how pigmented. Oops. And I'm gonna dip it on my outer V. So I'm just dabbing, using the dabbing motion, and I'm gonna blend it up to the crease. Just gonna brush it a little bit, outer part here, going out. Wow, look at how pigmented the shade is. Let's deepen up the color. Oh my goodness, look at how pigmented it is. Like I just dab a little to the pan, but look, the color transfer. You just need a small amount of product and it's really pigmented. Now I'm taking this my Morphe M453 brush, and I'm gonna dip this one, the little bit lighter one, the, what do you call this one? Seahorse. This one. And I'm just gonna clean up some rough edges here, buffing the darker shade here. They say when you do use the Beauty Bay eyeshadow, they say you usually go to the deeper shade and then go into the lighter shade, because that's how it works, the formulation or whatever. So I'm just trying this one because usually I grab the lightest for my crease and then going deeper and adding more depth. But this one, they say the opposite one, so I don't know, but I think it's working. The technique is working with this formula from the Beauty Bay, because the eyeshadow, guys, is so pigmented. See, it's blending so well. Look at that. Now I'm taking my Morphe R40 brush, and this is a clean brush. I'm just buffing this shadow here. Do you like green shadow, guys? Please comment down below. Would love to hear if you also like to create green looks, or is this your favorite kind of shadow look, the green one? I like it. I'm loving it already. Now I'm taking a flat shader brush. This is from BH Cosmetics 103. And I'm dipping it to the shade. I don't know. Look at that. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe we'll try the lime shade. A glitter shade in the middle of my eyelid here. Wow, look at that, you guys. So pigmented. A good color chart. You see, I'm just using the brush, but I'm getting lots of color. See? So nice. Oh my goodness, so pigmented and shimmery. So I'm just blending this together, guys. Wow, it's just an amazing formula. Look how pigmented the shimmers are, guys. And it's just, look at that. I'm just doing a dabbing motion. So look at that. So pigmented. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna grab the other two of this collection. Oh my. Because I said I just wanna try it first. But yes, the formula is amazing. I want more. I want more shimmers there. Just blending it, guys. Wow. Now I'm just cleaning my shader brush. And using the same brush, I'm gonna go on a lighter shade. Maybe this, let's see, Kava, this one. So we'll put this on the inner eye here for more shimmers. Oh my, so amazing. I'm so amazed with the formula, guys. Beauty Bay, I love it. Look at that. Woohoo! So probably I want to go back to the inner V and just buff it around. I'm using the Beauty Bay brush. It's called Best Angle brush from Beauty Bay. So look at this, how fluffy they are. So I'm dipping it back to the shade Pine. Just a little dab, and just creating and deepening the shade, deepening my outer V here. Wow, amazing! So let me finish the look. I'll just do my eyelashes and my liner, and I will be back for the final look. So guys, this is the final look that I have created for you. I hope you like it because I love it. And I enjoyed playing with this palette from the Beauty Bay. I was thinking and debating why didn't I grab the other two collection of this. But of course, I just want to try it first before purchasing. But awesome, 100% guaranteed, very affordable and very good palette. If you're looking for a green palette, this is your palette. So grab it in the Beauty Bay link. I'm gonna put their website, and yeah, grab this shadow. It's very good for your collection. Like if you want a green kind of color look, this is it. Just grab one palette and you can create lots of beautiful green look using this palette. So I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys, and I hope you also do enjoy you watching, and you also love the look that I have created for you. And if you do, I hope you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest vlog. So I think this is all for today, guys. I hope to see you soon, and please don't forget to comment down below and share this video. I really appreciate it that you watching into my videos, and I hope to see you soon on my next vlog and my tutorial. Thank you so much, guys, and take care. Bye.